If your Ford Ranger turns the key but stays silent, don't panic. Let's troubleshoot the most likely causes in under 3 minutes. Statistics show that over 70% of no-start issues are simply due to a weak battery failing to engage the starter motor. Before you call for a tow, follow this methodical check to isolate the problem. Always start by cleaning your terminals and verifying that your transmission is firmly in park before checking your battery voltage. If your battery is healthy, the culprit is often a faulty starter solenoid, a blown ignition fuse, or a failed brake pedal switch. If the engine cranks but won't fire, look into fuel delivery issues or a potential security system lockout preventing ignition. Simple electrical resets are easy DIY territory, but major component replacements like the fuel pump usually require a professional shop visit. Repair costs vary significantly, so diagnosing the specific cause early helps you avoid unnecessary expenses at the dealership. Equip yourself with a basic multimeter and an OBD-I scanner to pinpoint the exact failure before replacing expensive parts. Safety first, always wear protective gear and disconnect the negative terminal before handling any electrical components in your Ranger. Remember that guessing is expensive. Use your tools to confirm the failure before you start turning wrenches. If this helped you get your Ranger back on the road, leave a comment below and subscribe for more Ford troubleshooting guides.